Hop here with Classroom Composers, and in today's video lesson we're going to learn how to make a sound on our mouthpiece, and then we're going to be doing some exercises with our mouthpiece. This is going to correspond with lesson 10 and 11 in the pre-method book. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to quickly set our embouchure. So we're going to say the letter M, we're going to get our corners firm, and we're going to get our lower lip flat against our teeth. M. So just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a buzz. And the way that we're going to create a buzz is we're going to blow air through our embouchure, and we're going to get our top lip and our lower lip to vibrate with that air. And if you do it correctly, you should get a buzzing sound. So it'll sound like this. Here are some bad examples of some buzzing because my corners are not firm. And here's a bad example when I'm doing smoochy lips. Boo! Remember, corners firm, lip flat. And that's going to be the buzzing sound that you're going to want. And then once we've done that, we're going to take our mouthpiece and we're going to set our mouthpiece on our face. And we're looking for it to be right in the middle of our face, so not to the side like that. Right there in the middle. And then we're going to tilt it slightly down, just like this. Not way down, but just slightly down. And then we're going to form our embouchure, we're going to do our M, we're going to do our buzz, and then we're going to buzz into the mouthpiece, and you should get a sound like this. Okay, so make sure, just a couple things to check for, that you're not puckering your lips. That's going to be not having your lip flat against your teeth. If you have puckered like this, it'll not a great sound's going to happen. Also, make sure that your corners are firm, because if they're not firm, you're going to get a boo. Also, not such a good sound. So, corners firm, lip against your teeth, and that's the sound that you're going for. Now that we've done our embouchure and we've done the buzzing and we've played a sound on the mouthpiece, we're going to do some exercises. And we're going to do 3 rounds of exercises. There's going to be 3 exercises within each round. The first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to take a deep breath and we're going to buzz for as long as we can until we are out of air. And we're going to do this a total of 4 times. So here we go. I'm out of air. Second time. I'm out of air. Third time. I'm out of air, and fourth and final time. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to buzz for 4 total counts. And then we're going to stop, we're going to reset, and we're going to do it a total of 4 times. So we're going to get the metronome turned on here to help us with our counting. Ready, breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. And our third and final exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to buzz 4 times in a row, but we're only going to buzz for 1 count each. We're going to articulate with the word ta, and we're going to use our tongue to start each sound. So here we go, 4 times in a row. Let's get the metronome going. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And off right there. We're going to do the same 3 exercises, but this time with the mouthpiece. What we're going to do first is we're just going to buzz on our mouthpiece, and we're going to buzz as long as we possibly can. And then once we're out of air, we're going to take a breath, we're going to do it again, and we're going to do this 4 times. Second time. Third time. And final time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to only buzz, but we're going to buzz for 4 counts. And then we're going to stop, we'll take a breath, and we'll do it again. So 4 counts only, and we're doing this 4 times. We're going to turn the metronome on to help us out, and here we go. Okay, ready? Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. And the final exercise that we're going to do with the mouthpiece is we're going to buzz 4 times in a row with the mouthpiece for 1 count each. And we're going to be articulating with the word ta each time, and the tongue is what's going to be starting the sound. So here we go, 4 times in a row. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And then right there. And our final exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do this with the entire horn now. We're not going to press any fingers down, but we're just going to be practicing getting the air going through the horn and buzzing through the horn. So we're going to bring it up, we're going to get our posture. This time we're going to sustain the sound as long as we can, and then once we're out of air, we'll stop and we'll redo it again. So here we go. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. Okay, for our second exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to make a sound with the horn the exact same way that we just did, but we're only going to go for 4 counts this time. Make sure that as you're playing that your sound is steady, so your lips are set, your body's set, you're not wiggling all over the place, and you're articulating and starting each note with ta. So here we go, 4 counts total. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And then right there. And for our final exercise with the full horn, we're going to go 4 times in a row, and we're going to be tawing each note, articulating with their tongue for each note, and we're doing this a grand total of 4 times. So here we go, 4 times in a row for 1 count each. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And then right there. Make sure that you're practicing your buzzing, you're practicing your embouchure, that when it comes to reading music and to playing our first note, that you're set up for the most success possible.